When you are in the field troubleshooting a 4G or 5G network, what do you really need? A laptop? Cables? Complex software? What if all of that fits into the palm of your hand? This is Concertic CellScout, a truly standalone, ultra-portable tool that lets you see the serving cell and the neighboring cells instantly, over the air, with no external host at all. In this video, I show you why CellScout is changing how RF engineers work in the field.
Connect the antennas here, 5 antennas, and this is a GPS antenna. We connect GPS antenna here. 5 of the antennas are the same. Connect one by one. After the antenna is connected properly, then we power on. Power on, wait. So now it's searching for the network. Now, device connected. So after connect, we can choose serving cell. So you got this view. This is a home view. Okay, let's go outside. Now the device is powered on and then connected. Let's check the serving cell. Okay, now you can see the process from failure to pass. You see the KPI, you press it, you have these KPIs here, and you can check one by one. For example, the instance value, you look at this here. And then you can also generate a QR code, and then you scan the QR code, then you can export the report. Today I'm just show you the overview. Okay, so this all the details here. See, you back to here, the cell information, you can check all the charts here. Okay, this is the signal per port. We can see there's the data showing on port 1 and 4, which means the base station is 2 times 2, not 4 times 4. And now we can see the signal here is a little bit more stable. Let's go back and then see the home page. Okay, serving cell. Now its path will be stable here. Settings. You can change your setting here. For example, you can change the GUI what you like. You want to adjust the scale, or you want to adjust the screen setting, all this. And then you come back here, you can adjust the Wi-Fi. You can connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, if you connect to Wi-Fi, you can, for example, you can export the report to your laptop, and you also can show the map. Okay, now it's loading the map. See, from here you can see I'm at Senkang. This is a real location.
That's all for today. If you are considering this instrument for lab or field work, leave a comment and I share more details. Thanks for watching.